Is your GCash account restricted? Let's get it unlocked quickly. First, check why your account is restricted. It could be due to multiple failed logins, suspicious activity, or verification issues. Next, look for an email or SMS from GCash. They often send instructions to help you out. Then, head to the GCash Help Center through the app or website. Once there, submit a ticket with your full name, GCash registered number, and a valid ID. Make sure to attach a clear photo of your government-issued ID to verify your identity. In your message, clearly explain your issue and request account reactivation. After submitting, be patient and wait for GCash Support to respond, usually within 24 to 48 hours. When you receive their reply, follow the instructions and try logging in again. Once you're back in, set a stronger PIN to keep your account secure. And just like that, you're back to using GCash.